Unlock your creativity with Overlay Video. The Overlay Video tool seamlessly adds videos into your projects. Let's show you how to add video overlays onto your timeline. Head to the point of your timeline where you want your video to appear. Click Tools, then Overlay, and then Video. A screen will appear with a message, "Where is your video coming from?" You can choose a video file from any of these locations. My Recordings allows you to choose an existing recording you've created. You can select My Files to choose a video file from your computer. Or you can select Stock Library to access Screencast-O-Matic's stock videos. You can also browse recent videos you've already used under Recent. Let's go ahead and choose a video file from My Files. Select the video file from your computer. You'll notice that the video is being copied to your timeline. When done, your video will appear on the screen. A blue bar will indicate where it's placed on the timeline. You can adjust the length of your video clip by dragging the bar on the timeline. To adjust the size of your overlay, drag the corners or sides of the video. There are several options to customize the video overlay. Click on Video Options to adjust the start of your video. You can use the slider to adjust the start time. You can adjust the style of your video by clicking here. Easily customize the shape of the video or add a shadow. You can add transitions by clicking on In or Out. You can choose to have a fade or pop transition. Choose None if you prefer not to have a transition. Once you are done customizing your overlay, you can play and preview your video. If you are satisfied with your video overlay, click OK to add it to your timeline. If you want to edit this overlay, click on the icon to make edits.